Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope we are live now on YouTube. And let me check first if we are live or not. Okay, I'll check on my phone. Okay, so this is the live feed of my YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm sure we are live now. So we'll start our task. Okay, first I'm going to this here, run the dev instance. Meanwhile, let me check whether it's working or not. Mm, okay, got it. Mm, So, okay, yeah. Now, the thing is that earlier we had added this text to speech feature on the output. Since the output is long, so this is the one. So I don't want to click on this because it will unnecessarily consume lot of credits from the API. So we will think about adding it in the later future. So since the capability is very limited, so I'm thinking of adding this feature in here in the input field so that whatever question user has, user can just click on this mic icon and it will uh, just uh, it will just write whatever the user has spoken. Like it will basically write user's query by listening it in this input field. So for that, I'm just diverting this code. So it's text to speech. So you might have seen the thumbnail. So it is not text to speech. It should be speech to text because we are just changing this feature because due to limitation of the API and lot of API costs. So I'm thinking of uh, first rename this, uh, remove this uh, text to speech feature from the mm, output section. As part of that, remove that speaker icon as well. Let us see. Let us give it some time to remove. Meanwhile, we'll think about about adding this mic icon here. So I'm thinking of adding this mic icon uh, here before the send message and between the improve question button, and it should be always clickable, and once user has clicked it and told it whatever they need to say, it will automatically insert user's question here. Okay, let us see if our if the feature is removed or not. Let us see once. Okay, now it's removed. Now I'll give some prompt to it. Due to create a speech to text API route with the same 11 labs API key, and it will be used in the input field between the improve question and send message buttons, and appear as a mic icon. On clicking this, user should be able to tell whatever the question they have in their mind, and the API in the background should generate the text of the user's question in the input field. Let us see what it does. Okay. Meanwhile, let me check whether I'm live or not, and my live is properly visible or not. I'll just check it. Oh, getting sleepy. Okay, I know no one will be here to check the live. Anyways, no issues. We'll keep on continuing our task, no matter who watch or not. I'll keep going. Oh yeah. Mm, okay. Okay, I believe the streaming quality is very good. I hope so. And I think there is no background noise because now I am using this high quality headphone, Jabra Evo 265. Okay, now it has stopped generating the code. I'll just try. Yeah, so we have got our mic icon here. I'll just test it. Allow speech recognition error. Okay, we'll check it. What is the error? This is the error here. Just give it in here and let us see what it does. We have got our first error. Okay. Okay, now I'll check again. Network error. Okay, we have already internet connection, but still we are getting this network error. Okay, we'll deal with it as well. Mhm. let us check it again. Okay, so we got another error. Speech recognition, the same error. Okay, let's see what it does now. If it fails this time, we will use the premium model. That is that uh, Sonnet 4.5. I think it will give more uh, efficient output in the code. Let's see. So we are not removing this text to speech feature. So whenever we will have capabilities of implementing this, we will directly implement it instead of rewriting the codes again. I think that will be efficient. Okay, what is this now? Why is this? What is okay? Again, it failed even before giving me question. Okay, I'll just use the premium model 4.5. This is the best model. Okay, cloud. I have like whatever anthropic model I have used so far in code generation. Almost all of them have given very good performance. Okay, they have given like, extremely high quality code and satisfying performance. I hope this time it will also give that level of performance, and I have belief on it. I hope it will not disappoint me this time. Okay, there might be some issues. Okay, so like since I am using this in development instance, that might be one issue. That might be. So, what is the purpose of life according to Islam? See what it did, whether it was able to do it or not. Don't think so. Blinking. So at least it has not given any uh, output. Okay. Okay. So we'll copy this console error and we'll give another instruction. Okay. The time when user will click the mic icon, it should start taking voice input until user clicks the icon again to stop giving the voice input. Once the voice input is given completely, then instantly generate the text output, or while user is giving the voice inputs, gradually start filling up the input field with texts as per users given texts. Let us see what it does. Mhm. I see there is an infinite retry loop. Okay, always showing attempt 1 to 3, and the retry counter is not being maintained properly. Okay, also I need to disable automatic retries for persistent network issues. Let me fix this. Okay, It has identified some issues and it's going to fix those, and we are going to test it to see whether it has fixed the issues or not. And yes, I think I'll not be able to stay awake for much time today because tomorrow I have to go to office in the morning. So let us see how much time it takes. Based on that, we'll decide it. Okay, I'll give one prompt like question to it. What uh what is this? Again, yeah, this is disappointing. So this is one of the disadvantages of using AI powered development methodologies, or whatever you say, IDEs. Mm, 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 mm. I'm getting sleepy. Anyways, okay, I hope this time it works. And also, there is another agenda to include this web search feature in the output answers. Let us try again. What is the what is the purpose of life according to Quran? What is it doing? Nothing. Clear the console. I can try. What is the okay? Okay, see, I think the issue is not with the code. It is with the this localhost development instance. Since I am using this development instance, that might be causing the issue. Let us ask it properly. Is this issue we are facing due to the dev instance URL like localhost 3000? If yes, implement alternative solution so that I can test it in the local host only. Local host. Let's see what it does. Mm, mm, mm. Good question. Okay. API should work on localhost without issues. Okay. It's allowed on both localhost and HTTPS URLs. The interpreter you are saying is because your browser cannot reach Google's. Arey yaar. Why is it using the Google's speech recognition? I've asked it to use the 11 lab, right? Yes, using 11 labs only. Then what is the issue? Hmm, what did it change here? Clear interval, okay. Test mode. Let's try again. Good question yesterday. Should we take a risk and try it in the live website? Not sure, but we'll explore another one. Okay, we'll keep it for future. We'll try this one, which is, for example, so this is our question. So we want that, okay, while web search, adding web search, will not add, so I'll add this one only. Okay. Oh. So I I'm showing you the exact issue. See here, this is AI generated output. This is the output that is not AI generated, but it is called, there is an API that the AI has called, and after that it has fetched this Quranic ayat from the from a different website. Same for this tafsirs as well. And this is the output. Okay, this is the output that the AI has generated. And this web search option, when I clicked this web search option, it has just uh, faced the internet. It has just searched the internet and got the tafsir of this ayah from a random website. I have also added some uh, logic to add the output of the uh, most one of the most trusted websites. So that's why it has taken output from Quran.com. You will see, and I think it has also taken outputs from some another trusted website. You can see it is myislam.org. So I want that instead of writing this completely based on AI, it should take some inputs data from uh, this link as well, this web link as well, so that it becomes more robust. So for that, I'll ask it to implement this feature. Whenever user selects the web search option in the input field, I'll just keep it auto. And whenever user selects the web search option in the input field, the output generates relevant links below each ayah or hadith. Apart from that, for all the outputs below each of the ayahs or hadiths, there are some AI powered, AI generated, not powered, generated uh, description of that hadith or ayah. Okay, this is, so from now on, I want you to combine the outputs of the links, of the first links of the Tabili has faced this first links and AI generated outputs, and then provide their explanations combinedly from AI and the link outputs. This should only be applicable in terms of applicable when the web search option is selected. Let me know if you have any questions regarding this for maximum clarity possible. See if it has any questions to ask. If it has no questions, okay. Very tired. I think I'll not be able to continue much. Okay. Okay. Create helper function to combine AI explanations with table context using Gemini. Okay. AI explanation text from the response for each AI. Okay. Let us see what it does. I hope it has understood my questions. If it has understood, then it's good. Otherwise, we'll have to keep whatever it was earlier. It will be doing a good job adding. Wow, it has added on 120. Hey, why? I have to check this one. I'll have to check this. Why it is writing determine target language logic while is already implemented globally. And I'll check. Let's see how it's doing. It was not expected anyways. Okay. Still, even though it's generating, okay, but it should not keep this only this less number of languages. Yeah, yes, supported language is only already there. Yes, the language detection is there. Almost around I think 125 plus languages are there. Then why it is? Then why it is doing that thing? Okay. Okay. We'll check it. No problem. We will check it. Okay, I think we have proved it. Okay. Yeah, we'll again ask this question to it. Context. Okay. Thank you everyone for your time. I think I'm I'm not able to continue much. Okay, I will have to sleep now. I'm feeling very tired. Maybe we'll continue tomorrow. Maybe not tomorrow. Maybe uh, in the next weekend. Okay, I'm stopping it for now. Thank you everyone for the office.